Let us go through the concept of histogram equalization. Now what happens is, when we capture an image, many gray levels are missing. So the quality of the image reduces. When we try to equalize a histogram, we say that the pixels should be equally distributed among all its gray levels. Okay, so the histogram has to be a flat histogram over a wider range of gray levels. So how is this achieved? What we try to do is, we try to calculate the PDF function. What is the PDF function? PDF function, the formula is nk upon n, where n is the total number of pixels and nk is the number of pixels for a particular gray level k. Okay, now how do I calculate the value of k? K is between 0 to L minus 1, where L is the number of intensities. Okay, so what we do is, we take a input gray level Rk and we calculate the number of pixels Nk. And once we have it for every gray level, we calculate the PDF in second step. Once the PDF is calculated, we calculate the CDF function, that is the summation of PR of Rj, where j goes from 0 to k. Now what does it simply mean? It simply means that for first gray level, let's say I have 10 pixels. So 10 will come in the CDF. Second gray level, I have 15 pixels. So what is the CDF of the second level? It is 10 plus 15, that is 25. Let's say at the next gray level, I have 7 pixels. So it will be 7 plus 25, that is 32, and this will go on. So now once the CDF has been calculated, many a times we get the numbers in decimal points. So before we go ahead, we have to round them off. Okay, round off is the next step. Once CDF is calculated, we need to multiply that CDF into L minus 1. So suppose my L is 8. I have 8 shades. Okay, so L minus 1 is 7. So whatever is the CDF I have calculated, that has to be multiplied by 7. And then obviously we round off because we do not need the answer in decimal points. Once that is calculated, what we do is, we calculate the new SK. How do we calculate the new SK? So whatever is our round off answer, we try to figure out what is the new value of intensity and what is the old value of intensity. Now what is new and old value of intensity basically? So when I say that my earlier intensity was 3 and the new intensity is 4. So this is an old value and this is a new value. So we consider the new value. Okay. Now we add the values. We add the number of pixels wherever the values are 4, 4. Okay. And then what we do is we plot. Then what we do is we just plot the histogram as per the new values. So in histogram, here the gray levels will come. Okay, and here the frequency will come or your NK will come. Okay, that's it about histogram equalization.